Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Max class. By considering second PUC students, I am making this video. So, I divided this video into three parts. Before the examination, during the examination, after the examination. Suppose one day before the examination, what is the student condition? See, generally students will have anxiety before the examination. One day before the examination, anxiety will be there. What will happen tomorrow? What type of questions will come? So anxiety, stress will be there in the students. Because of this anxiety, stress develops. Because of this stress, you are unable to think properly. You cannot use your thinking ability 100%. So you need to reduce this anxiety. I observed so many students before the examination day, they won't sleep properly. They'll sleep only 3 hours or 4 hours. It is not at all recommended. I strongly recommend you to sleep at least 6 hours, 6 to 8 hours. I strongly recommend you to sleep 6 to 8 hours before the examination. Suppose tomorrow 9 o'clock exam is there. Tonight you plan in such a way that you will sleep 6 hours properly. 6 to 8 hours, maximum 8 hours. Okay, before the exam day, if you got the sleep properly, your anxiety levels definitely will come down. Okay. And second one, 18 hours before the examination, I strongly recommend you to do not study any new topic. For example, tomorrow morning 9 o'clock exam is there. By today evening 4 o'clock, you stop doing new things. Today evening 4 o'clock onwards, you just revise what are the things you learned till now. This is annual examination. Throughout the year, what you prepared, that you need to revise. If you take a new topic, it may create unnecessary pressure. It can cause stress to you. So 18 hours before the examination, do not study any new topic. You just use these 18 hours time to revise the topics, what you learn throughout the year. Because it's an annual examination, this 18 hours needed to revise the things what you already learned, right? So if you revise all the things what you learned before the examination, with that you will get confidence, so your anxiety levels will come down. Next one is confidence. Be confident. Believe in yourself. Say strongly to yourself, I'll do wonders in the examination. You believe in yourself that I prepared well, I'm ready for the examination, I'll do wonders in the examination. Be confident. Confidence is the one medicine that creates wonders in the examination. If you are very confident in the examination, especially in the max examination, in examination you got a question that you not solved earlier, but if you are confident, if you believe in yourself, in examination you can get the solution of this. You can get the solution of that question. Confidence is the key. Be confident. Believe in yourself. You can do the wonders. So be confident before the examination. 6 to 8 hours sleep, and you revised all the topics properly, and you are confident that you can do wonders in examination. Now 1 hour before going to the examination, you take moderate healthy breakfast. Moderate healthy breakfast. Healthy breakfast. I don't want to mention what is this healthy breakfast, right? You know what is healthy breakfast, what is moderate to you. Some students, they won't eat breakfast properly. Some students, they'll eat heavily. No, moderately you take the breakfast. And next one, you reach the examination hall 30 minutes before, and make sure that you taken all the necessary things. 2 pens, right? In case one pen fails, other pen, right? 2 pens, pencil, eraser. Don't forget to take your hall ticket. Take your hall ticket. If calculators are allowed, please take your calculator. All the necessary things for the examination, you please keep it with you and reach the examination hall 30 minutes before. After reaching the examination hall, be calm. Stay calm. Don't talk much with your friends. So these are the things you need to do before the examination. During the examination, what things you need to do in the examination. Okay. Once you reached into examination hall, once you settle down, keep in your mind that you need to use your 3 hours 15 minutes time properly in examination hall, right? They can keep the examination for 3 hours only. Why they given this 15 minutes? 15 minutes time to read the question paper. 15 minutes time you utilize to read the question paper properly. While reading the question paper, you please follow this strategy. What is the strategy? Double tick, single tick, no tick. Double tick question means you know the solution of that question without any hiccups, without any doubt. You can write the solution correctly for that question. While reading the question paper, you will read a particular question. You felt that I am very confident that I can do this problem very easily. For such type of questions, you give double tick. Okay. Next, single tick. You are not sure, but you can do that problem, but you are not sure you will get solution or not. You will get answer or not. You done this earlier, but you are not sure. For such type of questions, you keep single tick. Okay. No tick. This is just I written into, but no tick. No tick indicates that you do not have any idea about that question. Okay. I'll tell you the strategy, what we are going to do with this double tick, single tick, no tick. Once you read the question paper, after 15 minutes, they'll give answer sheet to you. First thing, do not forget to write your hall ticket number correctly. Whatever the strategies we follow, if you fail to write correct hall ticket number, then your result is gone, right? Correct hall ticket number. And keep in your mind, before starting the solutions, for every question number, properly you write. Properly you write. In question paper, what question it is? In question paper, it is 10th question. You write like this, 10th question. Suppose it is 16th question. You write 6 like this. Some students, they'll write like this 6. That is 6 or 10, it is confusion, right? Write the question number properly. Very important. First 4 papers in your answer sheet are very important, because whoever evaluate your paper, by seeing your first 4 pages in your answer sheet, they will come to know, yes, this student is good student. This student is a confusing student. This student is a dull student. Whoever the evaluator is there, they will get an idea, some idea about that. So, first 4 papers in your answer sheet, you need to write it properly. For that only, we are following this double tick, single tick, no tick strategy. So what we will do, first we will start with double tick questions. Double tick questions means what? Which answers you know very well, without any hiccups, without any strike-offs. You can write that solution easily. So obviously what happens, first 4 papers, if you write with double tick questions, what happens, everything will be in a right manner. Presentation is important. Presentation means you do not create your answer sheet as a puzzle to the invigilator. They'll see the solution. Yes, everything is correct. Just tick mark, that's it. They'll give the marks, 4 marks, 5 marks. Whatever the marks allotted for that question, they'll give that marks. In case, in first page only, you made it as a puzzle, they'll read, invigilator read that answer sheet, and oh, this is headache paper. With that, they'll try to identify the mistakes in the question, in the answer sheet. They'll try to identify where is the mistake in the answer sheet. Instead of that, if you write first 4 papers in the answer sheet very neatly without any mistakes, then the invigilator get an idea that yes, I got a good paper. Then he do little relaxedly valuation, and he won't search for the mistakes in the answers, because he came to know that I got a good paper, I need to give the marks. Psychology, it's a psychology, general psychology. I think it works. Okay, so make sure that in first 4 pages of your answer sheet, you write the answers properly without any mistake. Okay, so after taking the question paper, you will read 15 minutes to understand what type of questions are given, and while reading the question paper only, you will follow this double tick, single tick, no tick strategy, and you prepared well that first 4 papers of our answer sheet are very important. I'll write those 4 papers without any mistakes. In max paper, 66 questions are there. This year, they increased the choice. The time is 3 hours 15 minutes only. So managing the time is very, very important. You please take watch along with you. You know that smart watches are not allowed. So you take the watch, go to the examination and plan properly. I'll give a rough idea here. In max examination, total 5 sections are there. See here, I'm giving a rough idea about total 5 sections are there. Na? Suppose 1 mark section. It's a rough idea, just as per my knowledge I'm giving. You can change this. 1 mark section. First 20 minutes, I'll complete 1 mark section questions. So some people can complete in 15 minutes also. Some people can complete in 10 minutes also, as per your wish. In first 20 minutes, I'll complete this 1 mark questions. Next 40 minutes, I'll do this 2 mark questions. You watch, check the watch. After 20 minutes, if you not completed 1 mark section, means time is going on. You need to do the things little faster. It gives, in case if you complete in 15 minutes, yes, I'm doing the things in right time. You can do the things properly. Now 2 mark section, you give 40 minutes. It's 40 minutes or 50 minutes, it's up to you. As per your convenience, you make this. This is just a rough idea I'm giving to you. 3 mark, 40 minutes. 5 mark, 40 minutes. In 10 mark section, you need to answer one question only. That is 20 minutes. Now you see total 120 plus 20, 160 minutes. In examination, how many hours? 3 hours. 3 hours means 180 minutes. Here 160 minutes only you are getting. That means still another 20 minutes time is there, right? So you can adjust it as per your wish. So before the examination only you plan these things. First section I'll write, 1 mark section I'll write in 20 minutes. 2 mark section it takes time to me. I'll take 50 minutes time for that. 3 mark section I'll complete in 40 minutes. 5 mark section questions I can do it faster. I'll complete it in 30 minutes or 40 minutes as per your convenience. You make sure before the examination only you have the plan, not in the examination. After going the examination, how much time it required, do not calculate those things. You keep an idea. Next tip is not for all the students. This is for the this is for those students who are looking for the pass marks, those who want to do a little bit of tricky things in examination. This you do once all the questions you attempted. See here, single tick, double tick questions are over now. After completion of these things only, you use this trick. What is that trick? In max examination, they'll give show that, prove that questions. Right? They'll give show that, prove that question. Show that, prove that question means what? In the question only, left LHS will be there, right hand side will be there. Okay. So this works only in max examination, I think. Whenever they give show that, prove that something, if you know the answer, please attempt it genuinely. In case if you don't know the answer, you just write LHS, write what they given in the question, right? Do some magic. At the end, you write RHS, that will be there in the question paper only. So finally you write LHS equal to RHS, hence proved, right? This may work, may not work. But just I am saying that once you written all the questions which you know in the question paper, if still time is there, then no tick questions will be there. In that show that, prove that questions are there. You just follow this strategy. It may work, right? If you are lucky, then it may work. So especially first 4 pages, if in your answer sheet, if you written neatly, they'll have good opinion on your paper, right? Later, whenever show that, prove that questions are there, generally, invigilator, okay, they'll go with the marks. It may not happen also, but it is one strategy, one trick, okay? And attempt all the questions. Attempt all the questions. In Karnataka, earlier papers, previous year's papers, if you observe, because of the printing mistakes in the question paper, they given grace marks. Sometimes what happened, those who attempted the question, for them only they'll give the grace mark. Sometimes it happens, right? So better once you written all the questions which you know, later at the end, if time is there, you please write the question number and do something. Just you attempted the question like that. You please attempt all the questions, right? During the examination, you please stay calm, right? Do not worry about your friends or some other things. You just stay calm, focus, believe in yourself that you can do wonders in the examination. After the examination, there are nothing much after the examination. What happens after the examination? Once you given your answer sheet to the invigilator, you came out of the examination hall, nothing is there in your hands about that exam you already written. Do not discuss much with your friends. Oh, by mistake I written this wrong. my friend is getting an out of out, but I am getting 95 marks only. Do not keep this type of discussion. Do not talk much, right? That is over. Your best you already did. Now we need to focus on the coming examination, right? So do not argue much, do not discuss much, leave about that examination. You focus on the coming examination. I hope whatever the points I said, these things are useful to you. Finally, one thing I'll say, be confident, believe in yourself. You can do wonders in examination. All the best for your exam.